Friends, how are you all? I think you all are well at home. So today we are going to start next topic, that is tangents and normal, which you already studied in class plus one. But here today we will revise some formula which will be used to solve the questions of exercise 6.3. So students, you know that this is a curve, and if a line touch the curve at any one point, that line is known as tangent line, and the line perpendicular to this tangent line is known as normal line, and this is known as a point A is known as the point of contact. Suppose the point A is at x1 and y1, coordinate of point A is x1 and y1. So then the equation of straight line passing through point x1 y1 and slope m. If a line passing through the point x1 y1 and we have a slope m of that line, then what is the equation of tangents? So equation of tangents will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and equation of normal will be y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m into x minus x1, because you know that the slope of normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent. The third, when two lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel, you know that if two lines are parallel, यहाँ अगर हम parallel show करते हैं इनको, then the two lines are parallel, then their slope will be equal, because जितना एंगल आपका जहाँ बनेगा same angle will be here. So when two lines are parallel, then their slope will be equal. M1 is equal to M2. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope will be equal to minus 1. And second, angle between two lines having slope m1 and m2. अगर slope इनकी m1 और m2 है, then what will be the tan theta is equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 into m2. Next, equation of line whose equation is slope of line whose equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So slope is m is equal to minus coefficient of x, means minus coefficient of x is equal to minus a, and coefficient of y is equal to b, so minus a over b. Next, slope of line having two given points, a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is given y, then slope will be m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Next, slope of line parallel to x-axis. जब पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, स्लोप उनकी क्या होगी? tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. स्लोप ऑफ लाइन पैरेलल टू x-axis, tan 0 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 0. एंड स्लोप ऑफ लाइन पैरेलल टू y-axis, अगर स्लोप पैरेलल टू y-axis हो जाए यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना, तो आपको पता है कि एंगल कितना बन रहा है? 90 डिग्री का. स्लोप आपको पता है कि नहीं, लाइन के साथ जो ग्रेडियंट बनता है वो ग्रेडियंट को ही हम कहते हैं कि स्लोप है. तो जहाँ एंगल कितने का बन रहा है? 90 डिग्री का. स्लोप ऑफ लाइन इज पैरेलल टू y-axis, then it is equal to tan 90 degree is equal to infinity. And slope of line equally inclined to axis. Equally inclined means कि जब स्लोप जो है वो आपकी इक्वली इंक्लाइन होती है, या तो ये 45 पे बनेगी या आपकी साइड जो है वो 135 पाई पे बनेगी, तो क्या होगी स्लोप उसके ऊपर, जहाँ प्लस में आएगी जहाँ माइनस में आएगी, तो स्लोप विल बी प्लस माइनस tan 45 डिग्री और tan 35 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 1. So before starting the exercise 6.3, pause the video to note it down. Next exercise 6.3, slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta. So slope of the curve at any point x1 y1 is given by dy over dx. dy over dx is the slope of the line. So first question is find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x and x is equal to 4. So y is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x. So find the derivative of this. dy over dx is equal to derivative of this 4 3 का 12x raised to power 3 minus 4. So slope of the tangent at point x is equal to 4. So dy over dx at x is equal to 4 will be, substitute value of x here 12 into 4 raised to power 3 minus 4. So it will be 12 into 64 minus 4. So it will become 768 minus 4 is equal to 764. So next question number 2 is same. You will do at home. Next question number third question is find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Curve is already given to you. Y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Simple, कोई confusion नहीं है. Only you have to given here x is equal to 4, but here you have to written x coordinate is 2. So same है. So take the equation of curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1. So derivative dy over dx is equal to 3x square minus 1. dy over dx and x is equal to 2 will be 3 into 2 raised to power 2 minus 1. So it will be 4 3 12 minus 1. It will be 11. So student, question number 4 is similar to the question number 3. So try yourself. So next question number 5 is find the slope of the normal to the curve. X is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. So write x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. So differentiate this with respect to theta. It will be dx over d theta is equal to a 3 cos square theta into minus sin theta, because derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, and dy over d theta is equal to a into 3 sin square theta into cos theta. So it will be dx over d theta is equal to minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, and this will be dy over d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta. Now you have to find the slope. You know that dy over dx is equal to dy over dx क्या हो जाएगा 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. It will be cancel, cos cancel, sin cancel. So dy over d theta is equal to sin over cos minus sin theta over cos theta. So it will be dy over d theta is equal to minus tan theta. But we have to find the slope at theta is equal to pi by 4. So dy over d theta and dy over dx. Sorry, तो कटना है. So dy over dx is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. ठीक है, minus 3a कैंसिल, sin square sin theta और cos और square ये कैंसिल हो गए. So dy over dx is equal to minus sin theta over cos theta. dy over dx is equal to minus tan theta. So dy over dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. It will be minus tan pi by 4. So the value of this is minus 1. So slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to this. This is the slope of tangent. But we have to find the slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to, you know that the negative reciprocal of this, it will be 1. Clear? Next, question number 7 is find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube, tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. So dy over dx, same steps है हमारे पास. dy over dx 3x square minus 6x minus 9. So second point क्या है इसमें, कहता है is parallel to the x-axis. Since tangent parallel to x-axis, if tangent is parallel to the x-axis, then you know that dy over dx is equal to 0. So putting this value dy over dx 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. So by using the splitting the middle term, इसके फैक्टर बना लो आप. 9 3 27. So 3x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Take 3 common, x also common. X minus 3 plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. It will be x minus 3 and 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it will be x is equal to 3, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 and 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 1. Now you have to find the points at which the tangents. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, then y will be, putting the value of x here, y will be 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 into 3 raised to power 2 minus 9 into 3 plus 7. So the 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7, it will be minus 20. तो एक पॉइंट आ गया हमारे पास 3 and minus 20. When x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 3 into minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. So minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7, ये हो जाएगी आपके पास 16 minus 4 12. पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे आपके पास minus 1 and 12. Required points are -3 minus 20 and -1 12. So next question number 8 is same. You will try yourself. Next question number 8 is find a point on the curve. You have given a curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord. Tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point 2 0 and 4 0. So first of all find the derivative of this. dy over dx, it will be 2 into x minus 2. dy over dx is equal to 2x minus 4. So next पॉइंट्स दिए हुए कॉर्ड के आपको, तो स्लोप ऑफ कॉर्ड अब आपको ये 2 केवल पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं, तो आपको पता है कि फॉर्मूला है 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म का, दैट इज y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it will be 4 minus 0 over 4 minus 2. It will be 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So slope of chord is equal to 2. Then the tangent statement आपके पास बुक है, स्टेटमेंट हम साथ साथ देखते थे. Tangent is slope which is parallel to the chord. तो since the tangent is parallel to the chord, since tangent is parallel to the chord. If tangent is parallel to the chord, then these two slopes will be equal. So dy over dx, 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to 2 plus 4. 2x is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 3. अब अपने पॉइंट्स फाइंड करने हैं. When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to 1. So required point is 3 1. Required point is 3 1. So next student, question number 9 जो है वो सेम ही है इस तरह है. Find the equation of all lines. Find the equation of all lines having slope -1. You have given a slope m is equal to -1 that are tangent to the curve. Equation of the curve is y is equal to 1 over x minus 1. 1 over x minus 1. And you know that dy over dx. ठीक है, अब चाहे आप जहाँ कोशेंट फॉर्मूला लगा लें, अगर आपको वैसे ही पता है कि व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 by x, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 by x will be minus 1 over x square. So here in place of x we have x minus 1. So we can write here x minus 1 whole square. ठीक है, y is equal to 1 over x minus 1. So 1 over x, you know that the derivative of 1 over x is equal to minus 1 over x square. So here in place of x is x minus 1. So dy over dx will be minus 1 over x minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 over 1 over x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1. ये आपको दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, स्लोप आपको गिवन है minus 1. x minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1. x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to 1. And this is minus 1 is equal to 0. x square plus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Take common x, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be 0 and 2. X will be 0 and 2. When x is equal to 0, y will be y is equal to 1 over 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So points क्या आ गए हमारे पास? Points are 0, minus 1 and 2, 1. Now we have to find the equations. Equation of tangents. Equation of tangent at 0 minus 1. And you know that the equation of tangent is y minus y1 plus 1 is equal to m. What is m here? Slope क्या है? Slope is minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus 0. It will be y plus 1 is equal to minus x. So x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the one equation. And equation of tangent at 2, 1. It will be y minus y1 is equal to slope minus 1 x minus 2. It will be y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. Y plus x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So next question number 11 and 12 are same. You will do yourself.